Hello everyone, my name is Stephen Donnelly and I would like to welcome you to the University of Edinburgh's How to Create Video for Online courses. Video has become an essential component of modern communication, and we find ourselves consuming more and more video, whether through an ever-increasing number of streaming platforms or traditional broadcasters embracing mobile technology to provide access to more immediate content. Social media has been one of the main engines increasing the demand for video content. Old-timers like YouTube go from strength to strength, while Instagram and TikTok attract more and more views from new audiences. Social media hasn't only just changed how we view video, but also who creates it. The trend for relatable content and the sophistication of mobile recording technology means everyone can have a voice. The demand for video and the democratisation of the production process has been reflected in education. At the University of Edinburgh, we have witnessed an incredible enthusiasm for video, with a vast amount of content being produced by academics and students. This short course aims to help you improve the content you are creating and help you make engaging video content on a limited budget. Over the next 2 weeks, we will introduce you to some basic tips and techniques which will dramatically improve your filmmaking. Our team will take you through all the stages of media creation, from planning to edit and publishing, all in the context of creating media for education, as well as answering basic questions on when and why we should use video. We will look at planning a shoot, storyboarding and scripting. We will define open educational resources and where to find them. You will be introduced to the vocabulary of filmmaking, for instance, what are shot sizes and how do we use them? We will show you how to get the best quality audio from your equipment and how to set up your camera or mobile ready for a shoot. The team will suggest available software and help you prepare your video before taking you through an edit to illustrate best practice. You will finally be guided through considerations around accessibility, captioning and copyright when producing content before publishing. All of this is to prepare you to make your own educational video content. The course will give you ample time to discuss your experience of media creation with your peers and the team and reflect on what works and what doesn't. We look forward to having you on the course and viewing the great content you are going to produce.